Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I'm pleased to present my research entitled The Role of GDP in Changing the Influence of Environmental and Political Factors on SDGs. This study explores how economic growth measured by GDP can change the way environmental and political conditions affect the achievement of sustainable development goals. In simple terms, GDP acts as a key factor that may strengthen or weaken the impact of these challenges. By understanding this role, we can see why some countries progress faster towards sustainable development, while others continue to face obstacles. This background and problem. The relationship between GDP, environmental performance, and political stability is complex and multifaceted. While GDP growth is often associated with prosperity, its impact on environmental sustainability and social welfare is not always positive. Similarly, political stability can influence economic growth and the implementation of policies aimed at achieving the SDGs. GDP can be a powerful tool for supporting SDG achievement by growth resources for investment in sustainable infrastructure, education, and health. However, rapid GDP growth, if not managed sustainable, can lead to excessive exploitation of natural resources and increases pollution, negatively impacting public health and ecosystems. While the individual influences of environmental performance and political stability on SDGs scores have been studied. The precise moderating role of GDP growth in these relationships is not fully understood, particularly how it can alter the direction and strength of this influence. The findings suggest that a holistic approach integrating economic, environmental, and social policies is crucial. The research aims to empirically demonstrate how GDP growth influences the effectiveness of environmental and political factors in achieving the SDGs, thereby addressing the need for more nuanced policies recommendation. Researchers use an associative quantitative method to examine the influence of the Environmental Performance Index and the Political Stability Index on the achievement of the SDGs. Additionally, the study tests the role of GDP growth in moderating the influence of the Environmental Performance Index and the Political Stability Index on the achievement of the SDGs. The population in this study consists of ASEAN countries, including Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Cambodia, Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Brunei Darussalam, Vietnam, and Philippines. The sample used involves 10 ASEAN countries that have research data during the period of the 2020 to 2024. The researchers use the SDG scores as the independent variable, the Environmental Performance Index as the independent variable, and the Political Stability Index as the moderating variable. The SDG score represents the achievement of 70 Sustainable Development Goals, while the EPI assesses a country's sustainability targets. The Political Stability Index and the Asia Power Index are used to measure power and indicators. GDP growth, a measure of economic growth, was used as the moderating variable. The result of the study showed that, free from the classical assumption test, EPI has a significant effect on SDG scores directly without being moderated by GDP. PSI has a significant effect on SDG scores directly without being moderated by GDP. The interaction between EPI and GDP has a significant effect on SDG scores. This means that GDP significantly moderates the relationship between EPA and SDG scores. GDP change the direction or weakens the initial positive relationships between EPI and SDG scores. In the context of your results, this means the positive effect of EPI on SDG will decrease as economic growth increases. The interaction between PSI and GDP has a significant effect on the SDG scores. This GDP significantly moderates the relationship between PSI and SDG scores. This indicates the DGP change the direction or strengthens the relationship between PSI and SDG scores. This means economic growth can change the direction of the relationship to positive, directly negative. Interpretation of result. This finding strongly align with the theory of sustainable development, particularly the Brundtland Report 1987, which emphasizes the interconnectedness of environmental, social, and economic pillars. It is consistent with empirical study by Haisu et al. 2016 and St. and Porter 2019. Which demonstrate that countries with better environmental performance tend to achieve higher SDG scores. The data reinforce the established understanding that environmental stewardship is not merely an isolated goal, but a foundational element for overall sustainable development. This finding challenges the simplistic notion that political stability is universally beneficial for development, while institution theory not 1990 generally posit that strong institution and stability support growth. This data suggests a more nuanced reality. It aligns with critical perspectives such as those articulated by Fukuda Parr and Muchala 2020, who found that in some contexts, high political stability can indeed hinder the SDGs agenda, particularly when it leads to a dominance and limited public engagement. The data signifies that the quality of governance within a stable system is paramount. Stability without inclusivity, transparency, and accountability can be detrimental to SDGs progress. This finding strongly supports the initial stage of the environmental constant curve EKC theory, which posits the environmental degradation increases with economic growth up to a certain point before decline. It also resonates with the sustainable development trade-off theory, where economic goals can conflict with ecological and social objectives. The data signifies that simply improving EPI is not enough if economic growth is unchecked or unstable. It reinforced Dalley's 1996 argument that economic growth can incur social and environmental costs that outweigh its benefit, emphasizing the need for a more qualitative and sustainable approach to growth. This finding align well with modernization theory, which suggests that economic development leads to more inclusive and effective political institutions. It also supports institutional economic, which emphasizes that political stability, when backed by economic capacity, can yield tangible development benefits. The data signifies that political stability is not inherently good or bad for SDGs. Its impact is contingent on the economic context, as Acemoglu and Robinson 2012 and Such et al. 2021 argue stable political institutions are most beneficial when supported by economic capacity, enabling governance to facilitate public service and manage development inclusively. Implication of findings: environmental impact has a positive impact on sustainable development goals, as good environmental performance contributes to the achievement of SDGs. However, political stability has a negative impact on SDGs. APA has a positive impact on SDG, and high economic growth is decreasing. High economic growth causes of industrialization and resource exploitation, which can be ruled out of the environmental sustainability efforts. The PDP growth increases as the political stability become an essential asset in support SDGs. Because strong economic growth could expand the capacity of the governance fiscal, SDG program, investment, and ensure policy sustainability. Thank you.